Hey guys, we're out here today with the Ruger 1022. I got my cheek rest here. I'm ready, all tackled it out. I got my bipod. Another thing here I got on this rifle is the center point. It's the 4x16x40 Adventure class series from Center Point. It's a mil-dot scope, 1/4 inch click at 100 yards. So we got our objective lens here, and we set it at around 150 because if you guys can't see down there, we got a target that's a steel plate that's about 125 yards away, and we're going to see if we can't hit that steel plate a few times with this Ruger 1022. And I didn't mention that it's got the bull barrel on it. It's the Adams and Bennett bull barrel, so let's see what we can do. Alright guys, we got 10 rounds downrange, and I'm going to show you what it looks like with the camera down there. So. Alright guys, we're down here. Check out the steel target. Got the stake in the ground to hold it down in there. Perfect little steel target for 22 bullet. You just got to make sure you know where you're aiming at and know where the bullet's going to go, because 22 bullet can ricochet off the steel there. But as you can see, it didn't do any damage to the steel. Just marked it, chipped the paint off. So 1/4 inch steel is perfect for a 22. As long as you got a backstop behind it, you wouldn't want to shoot this without having a legitimate backstop. But we're out here in the middle of a field, so by the time this 22 bullet hits this plate, it's already lost a lot of its energy. So, but you still want to take precautions. So I want to tell you guys thanks for watching our video. Please stay tuned on our channel, like our Facebook page, comment, rate, subscribe, and we'll talk to you guys later.